This summer is going to change you. Not because of motivation, not because of some random video, but because of the decisions you make when nobody is watching. Right now, there are two versions of your future. One where you actually use these next 90 days and come out stronger, sharper, more disciplined, and another where you waste it. Scrolling, waiting, saying I'll start tomorrow. And the difference between those two versions? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's the rules you choose to follow. So if you're serious about making this your real glow-up arc, not just physically, but mentally, then listen carefully, because these 6 rules, they're simple, but they're not easy, and most people won't follow them. That's why most people stay the same. Rule 1. Start before you're ready. Let's fix the first rule, because the real problem isn't distractions. It's this: you're waiting to feel ready, waiting for motivation, waiting for the right time, but that moment, it doesn't exist, and deep down, you already know that. Think about how many times you told yourself, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start next week, I just need to get things together first, and then what happened? Nothing. Because waiting feels safe. It gives you the illusion that you're about to change without actually doing anything. But here's the truth most people avoid. You're not stuck because you don't know what to do, you're stuck because you're avoiding doing it. So this summer, we're not waiting anymore. You start messy, you start tired, you start unprepared, but you start, because action creates clarity, not the other way around. The people who win, they didn't wait to feel ready, they just moved while everyone else was still thinking. And once you stop waiting, that's when everything else starts to fall into place. Rule 2, fix your mornings. Your mornings are broken, and if that sounds harsh, good, because it's true for most people. You wake up, grab your phone and instantly start scrolling. Before your brain is even fully awake, you've already handed control of your day to someone else. That's how your mindset gets weak. This summer, change that. The first 30 minutes after you wake up, protect it. No phone, no scrolling, just you. Go outside, feel the air, move your body, even if it's just a short walk. Because when you start your day with intention, everything changes. You think clearer, you move differently, you feel more in control, and that momentum, it builds. Rule 3, do hard things daily. This is where most people fail. They only act when they feel motivated. But motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. Discipline doesn't. So here's the rule. Do something hard every single day. Something you don't feel like doing. Something your mind tries to avoid. Because every time you do that, you're building control over yourself. And that's real power. It could be working out when you're tired. Studying when you'd rather relax. Pushing yourself when quitting feels easier. That's where growth happens. Not when it's easy, but when it's uncomfortable. And if you can win those small battles every day, you slowly become someone who doesn't quit. And once you become that person, you start noticing something different. You don't hesitate the same way anymore. That little voice that says skip it today, it's still there, but it's quieter now, because you've stopped listening to it. Most people think discipline is loud, like hype, like energy, like some big moment where everything clicks. It's not, it's quiet. It's choosing to do the work on a random day, when nothing feels special. No music, no motivation, no one watching, just you and a decision. And that's where people lose. Because it's easy to work hard when you feel good, but when you're tired, when you're bored, when nobody would even know if you skipped, that's the real test. And every time you pass that test, something changes. Not outside, inside. You build self-respect. And that's different from motivation. Motivation makes you start. Self-respect makes you continue. Because now you're not doing it just for results. You're doing it because that's who you are. You don't skip because that's not you anymore. Rule 4. Protect your energy. Your energy is limited, and right now you're probably wasting it. On people who drain you, on conversations that don't matter, on environments that keep you stuck. This summer, you need to be more careful. Not everyone deserves access to you. Not everything deserves your attention, and that doesn't make you selfish. It makes you focused. Because if you're serious about leveling up, you can't keep surrounding yourself with things that pull you backwards. Choose your environment carefully. Choose your circle carefully, even if that means being alone sometimes. Because it's better to be alone and growing than surrounded and stuck. Because if you stay in the wrong environment long enough, you don't just waste time, you become like it. You start thinking smaller, acting weaker, accepting things you once said you never would. And the worst part, you won't even notice it happening. That's how people lose years, not from one big mistake, but from small, daily compromises. So this summer, pay attention to what you allow into your life. What you watch, who you talk to, what you give your time to, because all of it shapes you. And if you're trying to build a stronger version of yourself, then your environment has to match that. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it can't be pulling you down. So protect your energy, even when it feels uncomfortable, even when people don't understand. Because at the end of this, you're either going to look back and see growth or realize you stayed the same. And deep down, you already know which one you want. Rule 5. Build something real. By the end of this summer, you need something to show for it. Not just memories, not just late nights and random moments, not just screenshots sitting in your camera roll that you'll forget about in a few months. Something real. Something you can look at and say, yeah, I did that. Because most people, they spend their time consuming, watching videos, scrolling endlessly, learning things they never apply. They feel productive, but they're not actually moving forward. And that's the trap. It feels like progress, but nothing in your life actually changes. No new skills, no real discipline, no visible growth. Just time gone. So don't let that be you. Not this summer. This is your window, where you stop just taking in information, and you finally start creating something with it. And listen, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not supposed to be. In fact, it'll probably be messy at the start. Slow, frustrating, inconsistent. That's normal. But what matters is that you keep going. Even on the days you don't feel like it. Even when nobody notices. Even when it feels like nothing is happening. Because something is happening. You're changing. So build something. Build your body. Build strength. Build a skill that separates you from everyone else. Build discipline that most people never develop. Build something that proves you didn't waste these 90 days. Because at the end of the day, results don't lie. Effort shows, and intentions, they mean nothing without action. Rule 6. Be honest with yourself. This one might be the hardest rule of all. Be honest with yourself. No excuses. No pretending you tried your best when you didn't. No lying just to feel better in the moment, because deep down, you already know. You know when you're wasting time. You know when you're choosing comfort over growth. You know when you said you'd do something and didn't follow through. And most people, they ignore that voice. They distract themselves. They avoid it. Because facing the truth is uncomfortable. But this summer, you're not doing that anymore. You're calling yourself out, quietly, honestly, no drama, no posting about it, just real accountability. Because if you can't be honest with yourself, you can't improve. If you keep lying to yourself, you'll stay stuck in the same patterns, the same habits, the same version of you. And that's the part nobody wants to admit. Nothing changes until you do. Real change starts when you stop lying to yourself. No excuses, no I'll do it later, no pretending you tried when you didn't. Just honesty and action, because once you face the truth, you see exactly what needs to improve. And then it's simple, fix it and keep going. That's how you become someone better. 90 days. That's all this summer is, 90 days. But 90 days is enough to completely change your direction, to build habits, to break patterns, to become someone you're actually proud of, or to stay exactly the same. Most people will watch this, feel a spark, and then do nothing. That's just reality. But if you're still here, still listening, then you're already different. The only question is, what are you going to do after this video ends? If you're serious about this, then you already know you can't keep surrounding yourself with distractions. That's what this channel is for. Just real focus, real discipline, real progress. So if this is the path you're on, subscribe, not for me, but for the version of you that's trying to level up. And when this summer ends, you'll either look back and be proud, or wish you started earlier.